As we're talking about control devices, we mentioned earlier about the clutch cycling orifice tube, and remembering this is what it looks like. It's about the diameter of a pencil, about 3.5 inches long. Refrigerant comes in on the long side. There's usually 1 or 2 O-rings that seals it inside the evaporator tube, and then we have our regulating device at the end. Coming in is high temperature, high pressure liquid refrigerant. Leaving out of here is very low temperature. Because this is made out of plastic, it's very easily broken. The only filtering that happens on this type of system is this screen that's on this, and it can be easily plugged up. So remember, anytime you're inside your air conditioning system, always replace these. They're very inexpensive, and it's a very smart idea to keep that screen from being plugged up. Now, one of the difficulties is when you go to find this. Now, earlier we showed on our evaporator, you'll find 3 little dimples that helps you orient to where the tube is. It'll be placed in with the short end in first, placed all the way down. Again, the dimples keep this from falling all the way into the evaporator. The difficulty is these O-rings. Here's one that has 1, this one has 2 on it. Because this has been residing down inside here for a period of time, the O-ring tends to want to stick to the inside of the tube. And because this is plastic and it's been exposed to extreme temperatures and pressures over time, it's become brittle. You might be able to think, I can just get a pair of needle nose pliers and pull that right out, and you will be very unsuccessful in doing that. You may bring half of it out. It all has to come out. So there is a tool that's designed to pull this out. You'll notice this tool has little notches on it, and this has a little ear on it. When you put these together, the notches and ears line up to each other. This tool would fit on here. You'd screw this down till it bottoms out, then slowly turn this out. What it does, it pulls very straight and slightly rotates the CCOT tube so you don't break it off. Now, a little hint, if you have a hair dryer or a heat gun, you can gently heat this area right above these dimples. Again, this will be residing exactly like this, and by gently heating that, it'll soften the rubber just a little bit and ease pulling it back out. Remember, when you reinstall these, use your spray lube or your refrigerant oil on this to make it easier for it to go in so you don't roll the O-rings.